guys, I gotta admit, now we get to smell the flowers. Now, whoever gets sneeze, if they don't sneeze, they'll get a last sweet potato pie in the fridge. Now let's do this. Okay, here we go. How is everybody doing?
Good so far.
I don't think so.
Nothing yet.
Oh yeah. So, because those are tasty, mac ribs at McDonald's. Because I like the homemade cooked meals from Princess Peach, what they just made. Achoo.
Oh, that's a pretty situation. Well, I guess someone achoo.
I'm sorry, I don't feel funny.
Well, I guess I'm fine. I think I'm gonna achoo.
Well, that means I win. I get to have achoo.
Achoo. Oh, great. Why does everybody tell me achoo?
Oh my God, my nose are red. Achoo.
Oh, please, no more, achoo.
Mario, I'm crazy.
Achoo. Get the phone and call the ambulance. Achoo.
Princess Peach, get in here. Achoo.
Okay, that's it. I think it's all gone. Achoo. I don't want it. Achoo. Mario, what are we gonna do? Achoo. 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 Ugh. I think we're sick. That flowers are
Allergies.
Oh no.
Now who wants gumbo?
Achoo.